At a press conference held on the 11th of April 2023, leaders of four pressure groups that include the KSU, the FLJGO, the HNYF and Maitshaphrang had made an announcement on the meeting scheduled for the 15th of April this year, wherein the Self-Acquired and Ancestral Property Act will be clearly discussed with various clan members, members of the general public and others, so as to clarify on doubts related to such matter. Speaking to media persons today, the leader of Maitshaphrang, Nongjop Syiem, had publicly invited leaders of all clans and members of the general public to the meeting so as to get a clear picture of why it is necessary to implement the act so that property would be equitably distributed by parents amongst children and thereafter distributed in the same way through generations to come.
Kajingdon jong kaan bansam bentalang ya bro ki khun hakabayday bat ka jingdon jing em kamay hi kikmi pa equitable distribution of self-acquired property but balay ni day banekren ya ni kapang ikat tu kan ni ki Maitshaphrang Nimwan ra ya kapang banekren ya jingdon jing em kum ka khando ka siap ka khlau ka tap bapnya di ko ti hakni ga banekren jung ya bangyong ancestral property ngim ya kren ya ka nong teman ka baide jung ka kur ini kren bai tang halor ka nong teman ka baide ka bawan hiar naka tu ka an self-acquired property act jung ka 1986 kapang banekren gandai baik ya kinong genti na kikimi pa self-acquired property but ka jingsam pateng distribution but ka ancestral property ka wami na katay ha ka pateng di kunjungi ma ngatay nga la batay tu singi ba pi 1986 ka government ka state legislature ka pa sa ka ain ka bedeban self-acquired property 1986 la ai sen governor tinri habade baniga self-acquired property long kikmi pa kilaban will out ki khun habade bat ka self-acquired property kilaban ai bat kun sinang bat kun kuntai tinri bi haki khun ki ban kamde su ka self-acquired property ka de biang ka de no ka ancestral property ni khun ti yakni ancestral property ni kaya yang sa kun khadu pa ngai ti kwa ni bakani ka anya of 1986 di ban amene ka but ban include lang ya ka ancestral property bakani ka self-acquired property habaka kala ancestral property yakni ru ki khun kilaban will out ki ba ti ngi rai bakandan ka meeting jong kur but bak ngi ru ba khatan tarik ulu punai tawa sisa jan por kabi buji tingi na esam ya kini ga ya kini notice lu suki kurva per bakin ne poilang suki sang ni jaman nomor bang imyo sam lot seborok hikul ye lembaga ni ga press conference ni sim ni ga lan ban khot ban wer lang ya borok hikul ibangim bakin sim ya kani ga invitation kin sim ya kani jalang kum ga invitation ban khot iki bani wan lang sini jalang kan di khot lang dei tangi khuru handai yenu rang ba baki longkmi samla bani wan sakani ga jalang khat santre bani pensufu iki halor kani ga jingdawa jungi ban thau noi ka ai ban ai ban talam hi khun baro lang kate bat sinrang ya ka self-acquired property bat ka ancestral property